Hi, join me as I clean my kitchen. So this fun little object I am actually going to save because we used to actually bottle feed kittens with this type of stuff, so for future. Ah yes, and here's my handy little bottle scrubbers. You shake the daylights out of the bottle. And more of the random things you find. A candle from my son's birthday. My son pulls this off of our dishwasher to use in his Play-Doh. Everybody needs their medicine tube hanging around. Ah yes, my apple peeler core that still hasn't made it to the basement. I really don't want to say how long the cookies were in that cookie jar. So I'm about to show you one of my favorite little signs. It says, "Sometimes I think we are all nuts." And then it has all these various little cute nuts, but it's time for that to go because it is so nasty. I've had it for years. Alright, now it's time for me to tackle the dishwasher. We're going to unload this thing. Kitty. And then my son asked me to get him some snacks in the middle of this, so we gotta do that. And now it's finally time to reload this thing. Ironically, not too long ago, I learned through a technician that I'm supposed to be loading this dishwasher from both of the outsides facing in, so I try and do that, otherwise I get some weird knocking happening. Alright, I think that's everything. And away we go. Thank you for watching.